Have you ever wanted to illustrate a complex or difficult concept to your class, or present a topic using materials that engage student interest? Now you can with the CTL's 3D printer. The 3D printer allows for custom fabrication of plastic models that can be used for enriching your presentations. 3D models provide a pathway for innovative teaching techniques in the modern classroom. Colleges and universities have embraced this technology as a way of approaching ideas from new angles. The CTL's 3D printer is available to create your own custom models on-site. These custom fabricated objects can be applied to all forms of disciplines here at Estrella Mountain Community College. But where can you get 3D models? Thingiverse.com is an online repository for 3D printable models and is a great place to start when looking for a model. If you cannot find a model that meets your needs, Tinkercad.com is available as a simple solution to create your own custom model. Once you have your model file or link, contact the CTL and they will work with you to bring your idea to reality. For more information about 3D printing, please contact the CTL at ctl@estrellamountain.edu.